How to post someone's Instagram story. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can post someone's post on Instagram story. So to post someone's Instagram feed post to your story, you have to follow some steps. So tap the paper airplane button below the post that you want to share. You will have to tap right here. Make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. You will have to tap right here on add post to your story from the menu. So you will have to tap right here on add story and tap it to see the feed post as a sticker with a customized background ready to share to your story. So let us wait for the loading. When you share a feed post to your story, it will appear as a sticker with a customized background, and you can move, resize, or rotate the post, and you can also add the text stickers and drawing it before you sharing it. You can see that you can enlarge its size, and you can also make it small. You can add the text, you can use a sticker, you can add the music, and you can perform different things. So this is how you can easily post someone's post on your Instagram story. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.